Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss a new feature in Outlook Web, which is sweep. You can make a rule around your selected email. This feature is not available on your Outlook application on desktop. But any changes you make here in your Outlook personal account as well will be automatically sync with your desktop version. So first of all, go to your inbox, select a specific email. So I select Microsoft Outlook calendar. I have already linked a lot of calendars of different countries and I will get a notification of their holidays in my inbox. So I just select this, go to the sweep function here, click on it, and you will see there are 4 options. For messages from Microsoft Outlook calendar, the email address of it, and there are 4 options. Move all messages from the inbox folder. So in this, you want to move all the messages received from this Outlook calendar to a different folder. So you have to select the folder from here, move to. When you click here, there are few options: inbox, delete items, archive. You can create your own new folder. So I simply hit here and create a folder, Outlook calendar. Click save and hit OK. As soon as you hit OK, all your messages available in your inbox received from Microsoft Outlook calendar will be automatically forwarded to that folder. The second option, move all messages from the inbox folder and any future messages. This is very interesting option. If you select this, that means the current available emails in your inbox will be moved to the selected folder, and in future if you receive this email from that email address will also shift it to that folder. So first I again create a folder, calendar, save. Now I'll show you clicking by OK. Now see, it will take few seconds of time, and see, sweep messages, success, all future messages from the sender you specified will be moved. We are working on cleaning up your mailbox. You can also see the rule here, messages from Microsoft Outlook calendar. If the messages was received from Microsoft Outlook calendar, move the messages to folder Amit for calendar and stop processing more rules on this message. Simply hit play. It will activate the rule, close the box. You can see a small processing is going on. See the folder available here. When I click on it, all the emails received from Microsoft Outlook calendar are landed here. Again, go to your inbox. I will show you with different email ID. Say Link Whisper. This is the software I usually use in my blogging, so I want to show you with this example also. Click on sweep. Now the third option is always keep the latest messages and move the rest from the inbox folder. This is also an interesting one. Under this, you need to keep the latest messages in your inbox and want to move the rest of your inbox to the separate folder. Again, you can use the folder here, or you can create a new one for this also. Now the fourth option is always move messages older than 10 days from the inbox folder. The first option and the last option is almost similar, but the only difference is 10 days. You want Outlook to keep your messages older than 10 days in the inbox, and rest of the messages will be shifted to your specific folder. Simply hit OK. Now what I have told you earlier, any changes you make in your Outlook web account will automatically sync with your Outlook application account also. So I'll show you how when I click Outlook application. Now, this is my account. Now you can see Amit calendar. So the folder which I have created in Outlook web is automatically added here also. All the emails. You can also do this with the help of Outlook rules. So if you have any questions about this feature, Outlook Sweep, you can comment me and ask the question. I hope you found this video useful, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel so you will get latest updates on Outlook web as well as application. Thank you and have a nice day.